I don't think me and Karim are going much further in this, because I'm not business minded.
So, how does it work for a fairy tale romance? What go on?
Well, him can go and do film cooking business over there, so and me doing my shop business over there, so. So I don't have to worry whoever trust out in things them.
Let me tell you something, man. So, man, don't put them on your head. Yes, any day you do that, you're mad. Take it from me. Girl, me have my PhD in bun getting. Me the proper yam. And to me realize, say, well, not for me, I mean them, yeah, cause but I just tell you, man, cross it. Hold on, ask a question. Franny gang go doing catering. Leftovers, pyrosis. She come on the shop.
Come to think of it. No, I'm not even say she passed the shop.
Me did know. See, what I tell you, say, me have my PhD in bun getting. I'ma tell you something, girl. I said that man, yeah, Uncle Wake can make sure say you not get bun and when him dead. Then just one goes, is it from there? Yeah, I get bun. And that me I tell you. I'ma tell you something. Let me do after in life. You see your goals? Whenever you want to achieve your goals, then you write them down on a piece of paper. Make sure the man knows on the paper now. Write down your goals and just go work towards it, because if you follow them wire, sidetrack will kill you. Dunceness, brokenness, bun will kill you. But it's in a country. But say, hey, I say, I stay. Like no more as my customers them can stay. But anyways, that's not the point. The point is, girl, work towards your goal there.
Well, that me I do now, Me I focus on myself. Cause even if him a cheap on me never care, cause I done with him.
Shit. She don't have a teenager bun you get. And one way to fix bun is to give back bun. Bun the boy, but make sure you stay with him friend and cousin and brother.
Really, Patsy? Me not stay so. Me not them type of girl.
No, again.
Hello? A bubble saying you for me, don't it?
Yeah. She has to come pick you up and think at the time I get late.
Time I get late for you, Alright, how far are they?
I soon reach a foot, man. So are you alone there?
Yeah, man, I'm here alone there, man. I can't forward.
Alright.
Bun start earning. But you know when I see you're sneaking. All of them business partners must be partnering somewhere. Watch your face too. What smile? Oh girl. When you man?
Suppose me tell you say you are happier than me when you see the person.
Well, I want somebody alone could make me happy right now. Me don't want to commission side. Mr. Water Commission, sir. Hello. Nice to see you. Good night. Madam, what's the matter with that?
Yeah.
I think we can need to fix it for me again, no?
Alright.
I like your look. Sad, you can fix up a shape up a girl, I know.
Yeah, man. You want to fix it for me?
Fine, sit up at
Anyways, I can leave on the two lovebirds.
Hey, Tony, I'm about to it, Because I strike number 2 that, You're far.
Meet me up the road. Me I go and walk.
Hold on, wait.
Let's get it there. Yeah.
Can I help you?
My mom leave to pay a visit, and they for nothing for me,
Visit? Which visit that? Which thing that you attack?
So now, everything alright?
Everything alright, man. And the Empress I was a reasoning, man.
I don't really think she not reasoning more, you know.
So yeah, OJ. Our mouthpiece.
No, it's mine. I'm my own. I was something wrong.
Empress. I say we have business to deal with, you hear that?
Move here. Now how much business partner you have, my love? Is that a business partner that?